Bollywood star Govinda had a scary incident at his home in Juhu, Mumbai. The peaceful morning turned into a chaotic scene in a matter of seconds. He was getting ready to go to Kolkata for a show, meticulously packing his suitcase and ensuring he had everything he needed for the trip. As he was about to leave, his licensed revolver accidentally went off. The sound of the gunshot echoed through the house, startling him and causing immediate concern. The bullet hit him in the leg, just below his knee. Blood started to flow and the pain was intense, making it difficult for him to move. It was a frightening moment for everyone. The suddenness of the incident left everyone in shock and disbelief. Govinda was at home alone when the incident occurred. The solitude added to the gravity of the situation, as there was no immediate help available. His wife, Sunita Ahuja, was already in Kolkata, preparing for his arrival and completely unaware of the unfolding drama back home. When she heard the news, she was extremely worried. Her heart sank, and she immediately felt the urge to be by his side. She quickly made plans to fly back to Mumbai to be with her husband. The urgency of the situation made her expedite her travel arrangements. Luckily, Govinda's manager, Shashi Sinha, was nearby and rushed to help. His quick thinking and prompt action were crucial in those critical moments. He immediately called for an ambulance and informed Govinda's family. The emergency response was swift, and the ambulance arrived in no time. Everyone was relieved that the injury wasn't more serious, but it was still a big shock. The family and friends gathered around offering comfort and support, grateful that the situation wasn't worse. The ambulance arrived quickly, its sirens blaring and lights flashing, cutting through the night. The paramedics swiftly took Govinda to Criticare Hospital, navigating through the bustling emergency entrance. Inside, the medical team was already on high alert, having been notified in advance of the incoming emergency. They knew they had to act fast. Every second was crucial in saving Govinda's life. Govinda, though in immense pain, remained conscious and communicated with the doctors, providing them with vital information. The doctors, after a quick assessment, decided that immediate surgery was necessary to remove the bullet lodged in his body. The surgery was intense, but the skilled surgeons managed to remove the bullet successfully, ensuring no major organs were damaged. After the operation, Govinda was carefully moved to a recovery room where he could be closely monitored. Dr. Ramesh Agarwal, the lead surgeon, provided an update, reassuring everyone that Govinda was stable and doing well post-surgery. Govinda would need to stay in the hospital for a few days to ensure there were no complications and to receive proper care. The doctor explained the recovery process to Govinda, emphasizing the importance of rest and following medical advice. After being discharged, Govinda was advised to rest at home for a month to fully recover and regain his strength. Even though it was a scary experience, Govinda stayed positive. He recorded an audio message from the hospital to thank his fans for their good wishes and prayers. He said he was grateful for the support of his family, his guru, and the medical staff. Govinda's brother, Kirti Kumar, spoke to the media and said that Govinda was strong and determined to recover quickly. He was thankful for all the love and support from Govinda's fans. Govinda's nephew, Vinay Anand, also expressed his gratitude for the outpouring of support. He said it was a miracle that Govinda was doing okay. He believed the prayers of fans worldwide had helped. Section 4. The police step in. Even though it was an accident, the police had to investigate. They took Govinda's revolver to examine it. They wanted to understand how the gun went off and make sure it wouldn't happen again. The Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Eknath Shinde, personally called Govinda to check on him. He assured Govinda that the government would provide any help he needed during his recovery. Meanwhile, the hospital increased security for Govinda. They wanted to make sure he had privacy and could recover peacefully. The police were also present at the hospital to ensure everything was under control. Section 5. Healing and Gratitude. As news of Govinda's accident spread, his fans, friends, and colleagues from Bollywood sent their best wishes and prayers. The outpouring of love and concern was overwhelming, with social media flooded with messages of support and hope for his speedy recovery. Many visited him at the hospital, bringing flowers and gifts. The hospital room was filled with vibrant bouquets and heartfelt cards, each one a testament to the affection people have for Govinda. Govinda's daughter, Tina Ahuja, was one of the first to arrive at the hospital. She rushed to be by her father's side, her face etched with worry but also determination to be there for him. She stayed by her father's side, comforting him and giving him strength. Her presence was a source of immense comfort, and she made sure he knew he was not alone in this difficult time. Seeing his family and friends around him lifted Govinda's spirits. Their laughter and shared memories brought a sense of normalcy and joy to the hospital room, making it a place of healing and love. The incident was a reminder of how quickly things can change. In the blink of an eye, life can take unexpected turns, and it's in these moments that the importance of loved ones becomes even more apparent. But it also highlighted the love and support Govinda has from his family, friends, and fans. Their unity and unwavering support were a testament to the strong bonds he has built over the years. Everyone is relieved that he is recovering well and looking forward to seeing him back in action soon. The journey to recovery is ongoing, but with such a strong support system, Govinda is sure to come back stronger than ever.